Let's find the HTML code so that we can put the Rake chat widget on our website. We are in our Rake workspace, and as we often do, we'll go to our workspace editor. As we start to work through some of the early onboarding, we'll probably live in conversations a lot. But for now, we'll go to workspace editor and we'll go to live chat widgets. You see, we already have a widget created. It was automatically created. You didn't need to create your own widget. It was created automatically. We'll go ahead and click on it. And you'll see a blue oval here, Show Code. And it really is that simple. We'll click Show Code. And here's the entirety of the code that we need to put into our website. I'll simply click on Copy Code. If you have someone that handles your website and helps you make updates to your website, you can enter their email address here and hit send, and they will receive the code in an email. And let's go ahead and we'll just add an email address here just so we can show how it works. We'll click send. But remember, we've copied the code. So we have it in our clipboard right now, and let's go over to a website editor and install the code. Everyone's website editor looks different. We'll show you what the website looks like before we add the code /widget. There's no widget showing here. Let's go over to our website editor for this demonstration. We're using a platform called Webflow. And we don't typically put the widget in our head, but we'll put it in the body of the site. Remember, I have the code on my clipboard, so I'll just use Control V. Or I could have right-clicked and hit paste. So now the code is there, and we can hit Save Now and Publish. Everyone's website editor is, again, going to be a little different. And in the documentation for Rake, you can look for how to install a widget with GoDaddy, how to install a widget with Wix. We've got all of those steps written out. So let's check and see if our widget now appears. It likely should show in this area right here. We'll just hit refresh on our browser. And it does. There is our widget. In the next video, we can talk about how we customize this widget. Perhaps we want it to not be a tab. Perhaps we want to change the colors. We can do all of that, but before we leave, we'll go ahead and send one test message. This is a test chat. Just hit enter. We'll go back to our workspace, and there we have it. We can move this blade out, and there's our first inbound message. We can click Go here, or now you can see that it's waiting right now. We hit Go, it takes us to conversations. We hit Start. Now we're engaging with the widget. It's really that simple. I type now as an agent, or I now work at the business. Hello, thanks for the test. I'll press enter on my keyboard, and we'll take you back to the experience, and sure enough, Duke has said hello, thanks for the test. So it's really that simple. Just install a little bit of code and the widget is working immediately.